Hello, everyone. We are back with our series of interviews discussing our DevCon Live 2021 experience. Today, from 3Pillar Global, our JavaCon partner and also our Women in Tech partner, it gives me great pleasure to introduce Marilena Balde, Director Product Development at 3Pillar Global. Hello, Marilena, and thank you for accepting our invitation.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me here and thank you for watching. My name is Marilena Balde. I'm 38 years old. I have been working for 3Pillar Global in the last 5 years, and I'm currently playing the role of Director Product Development. In my role as Director Product Development, I'm facilitating my teams to excel. This means coaching managers, solving escalations, leveraging knowledge and product experiences across teams. On a personal level, I thrive on connections. I love the interpersonal relationships and the psychology within work. I think the connection between these is fascinating.
Marilena, can you please tell us what's the main focus of your company IT activities?
Sure. 3Pillar is a product development partner whose solutions drive rapid revenue, market share, and customer growth for industry leaders in different fields like software and security, media and publishing, information services, and retail. We are specialized in the product mindset. This means we're positioning ourselves as partners for our clients. I will not get into too many details about the product mindset in this interview, but if you would like to find out more, please don't be shy, do reach out. Together with our teams, we are focusing not only on what our clients are requesting to us, but also what do they need, what will be the most beneficial for their end users. We don't want only to build products, but we are focusing on building the right products in the right way. We have currently more than 2,000 colleagues across the world, and we are unleashing this gold mine of knowledge that benefits both us internally and our clients. What we are trying to do is to support our clients to set themselves apart from the competition. One of our best testimonials that I would like to mention about is that a lot of our clients do recommend us to their partners, to their colleagues. So we have a lot of returning buyers, and we have a lot of new customers that were actually recommended by existing ones. We are very passionate and we love working for clients that do make a difference in the everyday life of their users. And to make it a bit more concrete, I would like to give here a few examples. For one of the clients, we are developing an e-platform aimed for children to learn writing, handwriting, and reading. And these learning activities can be done both on desktop and on mobile devices, while the teachers have access to some of the functionalities on smartboards. For another client that is in the security industry, we're building a simulator that is meant for the employees of big companies to train themselves to recognize, report, and also protect themselves against phishing attacks. We have a pretty large client portfolio. I could mention a few names like National Geographic, Fortune, and PBS. Our team members are actually proud to be part of the community, part of the team that is building a famous product or a known product for one of our clients.
Thank you so much for the examples. Moving on to the next questions. I want to ask you, how do you see the future of work and how do you frame this during the times we are now?
Yes, thank you for these questions. Actually, we consider ourselves that we have a lot of experience with the remote work. Both remote work and hybrid work are really most impactful trends in the working culture. At 3Pillar, we started to enable our colleagues to work remotely 4 years ago, before this pandemic outburst. So we kind of build more experience on this globally distributed teams. We do trust our employees and our colleagues. We think that trusting is key, so we are not monitoring them nonstop, and we see the results of this kind of attitude. Another thing I would like to mention is that in the last year, our company did expand a lot. We have now offices in all corners across the globe. And this made us realize even more both the advantages, but also the disadvantages and the challenges that we're facing in this distributed team. In my opinion, for a company to be successful in the upcoming era, having an inviting remote environment is crucial to their business. Another aspect that I would like to mention is that times do change. If remote culture and working remotely used to mean just having a good internet connection, a desk, and hopefully the fact that your employer will trust you, that you will do the job, now we are looking at different aspects of remote work. We're having challenges on how to deal with interpersonal relationships, how to build connections, how to make your colleagues feel part of the community. How do you help these teams to build attachment towards the team they are in, towards the company? How do you handle social cohesion? In our company, we understand these kind of challenges, and we invest actually in the remote culture, in the connection of our team, of one team, beyond geographical or physical boundaries. Actually, telework can be a game changer if we manage to leverage the advantages and reduce the disadvantages. The third idea I would like to mention on this topic is that if 10, 20 years ago, a lot of people were joining this field and product development companies mostly for financial reasons, now we see that these kind of reasons partially change. People do want to focus on their personal development. They do want to do meaningful work. They want to grow their craft while they're at it, while doing their job. So this talent, this new pool of talent is targeting not only to focus their technical skills, but also interpersonal skills, also communication skills, leadership skills, and presentation skills. Our colleagues do want to be seen. They want to contribute to something important and to make a difference as part of the community. At 3Pillar, we are aware of these areas and we make investments. We are intentional in offering diverse development opportunities to our colleagues. And the last idea for this question that's really intriguing is that when trying to fulfill and to balance all these aspects, we need to also calibrate them and to be mindful on the time and effort that we ask our employees to put into all of this, because we are all aware of the work-life balance and we do want it to be healthy, both for ourselves and for all the colleagues that are working with us.
Thank you so much. The next question are in terms of plans for recruitment for the following year. Like, what are the technologies and profiles do you target?
Yes, 3Pillar is expanding, and we are looking actually for colleagues and experts in all the fields, from developers, QA, user experience managers, product owners. We are constantly scouting for talent. We are hiring with the principle of work from anywhere. We are hiring both in the big cities where we have the offices Cluj, Timișoara, and Iași, but also remote across the country. And if I would be to resume on the technologies that are currently that we're currently searching for, I would like to name Python, JavaScript, and Java as mainstream technologies, but we're also growing our teams in the more niche technologies like Golang, Ruby, and DevOps, of course, those that need to know a bit of everything. And on top of development, we're also growing the product strategy and design departments. So we're searching for user experience designers and product analysts.
Thank you, Marilena. And I will refer a bit to our partnership for DevCon Live 2021, where 3Pillar Global was our Java track partner and also our Women in Tech area partner, sustaining 2 insightful keynotes and 1 applied masterclass for the present participating developers. For those of you who didn't get the chance to see them live, all the sessions have been registered and you can still watch them on DevCon platform after you log in with your tickets credentials. And Marilena, we are very excited to see that you supported the local IT community, especially with our presence at tech events. And I want to ask you what led you to join DevCon Live 2021?
Yes, we are aware of the added value that community events bring to our industry. And we do want to provide learning opportunities for our tech communities, both internally and externally. Our presence at the DevCon was really a great experience last year. So this determined us to join and unite forces also for this year. So really a big thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you also. Would you like to transmit a final message for our IT community?
Sure. Maybe the message that I would like to send is try to take a step back. Think carefully about what you like, what brings you joy, what you're naturally good at. Find an environment and a company where you can learn, you can develop your skills, you are appreciated, and you love what you're doing. Never stop learning. And while you learn and you are working, don't forget to have fun, because life is too short to have a job that you don't like. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Marilena. A very powerful message. And thank you for making the time to join us and for more projects to come together.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you also.